Hello everyone and welcome back to the third video on the HP Pavilion G6. Yes, I'm milking this laptop a lot. Anyways, this is a viewer request I got a while ago because you guys wanted me to make the Project 7000 video, a two-parter. One where I installed it on a VM, which I already uploaded, and one where I installed it on real hardware. So there are two videos of me trying to install it on real hardware. The first attempt is going to be uploaded first, obviously. So yeah. So technically, this is part 3. But anyways, this laptop supports Windows 7. This is a USB flash drive running Project 7000. I think you see what we're doing. Let's install this thing. Step 1 is to plug the USB flash drive into the USB 2.0 port. Next up is to remind everyone that this USB flash drive is dead. Goodbye. You will be missed. I should probably destroy this in a video, but I really don't want to because it's a huge part of my history of the channel. I mean, it's helped this laptop. It's saved an Acer laptop before. Yeah, this USB flash drive has done a lot. Okay, most of this video is literally about a USB flash drive right now. Anyways, let's throw that aside and open up the laptop, which you can totally do with one hand. Anyways, next up, you want to turn on the computer. You want to press escape 50 million times. And, okay, the disk drive keeps going for some reason. You know, I should really take that disk out. I'll do that later, though. That's going to be a whole separate video. Because I just like milking this laptop. No, don't boot into Windows 11, please. I pressed escape for a reason. Why do you think I pressed escape? Escape. I'm gonna wait for it to ask us to do that. Escape. Press escape key for startup menu. That's what I'm doing, dog. It's not. Please. Boot the startup menu. I'm pressing escape. I don't know what's going on. Like, I seriously don't know. Oh, what was that? I don't even know what that was. Well, it can boot from UEFI mode. Oh, yeah, it's this again. I swear I set this to BIOS. What the hell? I'll be right back again. After flashing the flash drive again. We're done. Now it's on MBR. Let's hope that works. Okay, so what we have to do is we gotta re-grab. Wait, what do you mean re-grab? Okay, whatever. We're gonna grab the flash drive. Then we're gonna plug in the flash drive. Plug in the flash drive. Please press any key to reboot. Yeah, let's see if it actually will boot into this now. Alright, let's press a key. Windows setup. Windows is loading files. Okay, that's a good sign so far. We're at the Windows is loading files screen. And guess what? I don't know if we have drivers. Because, yeah. Now we're at the starting Windows screen. Okay. We've got the Windows 7 boot screen. Okay, that was... Okay, yes, it loads into the setup, and the mouse is working, so that's nice. But remember, it worked on the Lenovo. It worked on here, but it couldn't detect like the drive or something. So yeah, it either booted on the Lenovo or on the Dell, but it couldn't detect the drive. So I'm hoping you will actually be able to detect the drive. Because yeah, we're at setup start. Okay, so this is the license terms. We're going to accept the license terms. Click next. Click next. We're going to do a custom install, and it actually recognizes the partitions. So we're gonna format the partition, like that. Obviously, this has the Windows 7 build 7000 background and stuff, and formatted. So we're going to click next here, and it's installing Windows. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. Let's hope this actually works. But I mean, we did get Tiny 11 installed on here, so that's already really really nice. But what I'm really wondering is if we can get Windows XP installed. I might do that in a future video. But before we do Windows XP, I kind of want to do Windows 7 Emerald Edition, because that would be pretty cool to install. And maybe soon I'll do Windows XP Gold Edition and Windows 7 Gold Edition, just because it's fun. I mean, maybe it can run. I might have to just search it up, because if it can run Windows XP, then that would be really, really nice. But yeah, we're 6% done. Um, and yeah, let's just hope this goes well. So yeah, see you when something interesting happens. And I'm gonna continue editing more HP Pavilion G6 videos because I am milking this series right now. I don't know why, but I just am. Yeah. Oh yeah, and for those of you guys that watched my original video on installing Hannah Montana Linux, which was a really cringe Linux distribution, I installed it in a virtual machine. There was a viewer request to install it on real hardware, so we might actually do that, which will be really cringe. But I mean, whatever. I guess. I mean, there's nothing better to do. I can milk this laptop more. But yeah, if you guys also let me know in the comments if you want the rambling like this or if you don't want that. Cuz if you don't want it, I'll not include it, but if you do want it, then sure. You guys want some behind the scenes. So these are the Sony WH-1000 XM4s. Yeah, they're pretty good headphones. I'm planning on doing a review video on this. So yeah, I might actually do a review video on it. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty nice. This mouse here, it's some Logitech Bluetooth mouse. Um, I forgot which model. I'm pretty sure Bluetooth will say which model it is. So if I go into this and I go into here, yeah, it's the M336, the M337, or the M535, one of these. And yeah, there's the 1000 XM4, which is only at 30%, so that's insane. There's the Rufus tab, and here is the video I'm editing on installing Windows 10 on the HP Pavilion G6. I've barely gotten any clips. You can see I'm still on the first clip here. So yeah, it's basically the first clip. If we minimize this, here's my desktop, I guess, with the new 7Z branding. Oh yeah, by the way, let me know if you guys like the 7Z branding. I know Europa said that it was pretty good, but but he thought that the summer upload boom was like over. It's not over. Don't worry. It's not ending until August 12th. So, yeah, I'm also currently doing the Windows 11 upgrade saga, so that would be really, really cool. So stay tuned for that. And I'm also planning on doing a lot more OS build videos because I know I haven't done that many in this upload boom, and I usually do a lot of them. It's just that I forgot to do some. And what is cool is I could maybe do like the Windows 7 upgrade saga on real hardware because I haven't done a Windows 7 upgrade saga yet. So I might be able to do one. And maybe this laptop can run like Windows 2000, Windows ME 98. I mean, I want it to run those. I don't know if it can, but I just wish it could. I mean, maybe it can run 95 if we apply that CPU patch thing. You know how in like virtual machines you have to like apply that patch to get it to work? Yeah, maybe we have to do that. And as you can see here, we are 90% done expanding files, which is actually pretty good. That's actually pretty good progress. And again, this is an Intel Core i3 2350M. Yeah, it's a Core i3, and it's already 94% done. Or maybe that's just progress bars or whatever, just tricking us and getting stuck at 99%. I hope it's not that, but it very well could just be that. Also, if you're wondering why it isn't that loud right now, it's because there's like no fan. So yeah. So that's basically enough of me rambling on for a bit. So yeah, let me know if you guys want me to do this in the comments. If you guys don't want me to, I'll cut it out in like the next video or something. But if not, I mean, yeah, I guess I could just do more of these. I mean, they're pretty cool. The Windows 10 upgrade saga definitely has some of that. So, yeah. Oh wow, we're 99% done. Okay, that took like 4 minutes. It took 4 minutes to get here, which is actually insane for an i3. That's an i3, and it actually got. That's insane, man. I did not expect it to get happen this fast. I thought it was gonna take like 30 minutes or something. Is it gonna ask us to restart now? I think it is. Yep, it's gonna ask us to restart. So what we're gonna do, restart now. Um, there we go. And it's going to restart the computer. We're not going to press a key because it's going to ask us if we want to boot off of the USB. We don't want to do that because we don't want to go through the setup again. We want to do Windows 7 and not Windows 11 because you saw Windows 11 was there. Ooh, maybe that's a good idea. Maybe I should like dual boot Windows 11 and Windows 11 and 7. Oh, okay, we're gonna skip disk checking, so we gotta press a key. Disk checking has been canceled. Setup is updating registry settings. Okay, I don't know if it's supposed to do this. I hope it is. Also, the product key on the bottom of this laptop, I mean, I could use it, but it's home basic, so we wouldn't get Windows Aero, so I'm not really gonna use it. Oh, we're on setup and starting services. Okay, this recording is like 5 minutes long. Wait, did the display resolution change to the actual display resolution? No, not yet. We're gonna have to change that in settings. I don't know if we have the graphics driver though. Yeah, I don't think we have the drivers. Because, you know, since this is Windows 7, it wouldn't automatically install the drivers, would it? I mean, I don't know. I've also never used Wi-Fi on Windows 7. So this could be like a first, well, I mean, I have, but I haven't used it like in a while. It's been like a really long time since I've used Wi-Fi on Windows 7. Like the last time I used it was I think 2014 or 2015. Wait, no, definitely after 2014. Probably like 2016. Yeah, 2016 was probably the last time I used Windows 7 on real well, not on real hardware, but I probably used Windows 7 on real hardware after that. But what I meant is like as like my daily operating system. I haven't used Windows 7 since like 2016 when I got my first laptop, because before that I used my parents' laptop obviously, which ran Windows 7. I'm pretty sure it ran Home Premium because it had Windows Aero. Maybe it ran Professional. I don't remember, but it was either one of those. But yeah. Oh my gosh, this recording's 7 minutes long. Anyways, yeah, I remember using Home Premium or Professional or something like that. And then in 2016, after I got the Acer, we were just on Windows 10 Home, and I have not been on Windows. Well, I have been on Windows 10 Pro, but I have not been on Windows. Have I been on Windows 11 Pro? I don't think so actually. But yeah. Anyways, yeah. After the Acer, we just switched. I just switched to the Dell like after a year. Oh, and it's restarting again. Okay, that's pretty nice. And this phone is overheating because I'm using a phone to record this. And it's probably not a good idea to record using a phone because it will overheat. So, yeah, it's going to ask us again, and hopefully... Oh, there we go. It doesn't ask us... Okay, so Windows 11 is gone. I formatted the drive, though. Oh, wait, the Windows Boot Manager is probably still on there, right? Yeah, that's probably what it was. Okay, so yeah, it's starting Windows. Oh, we're going to skip disk checking. You can see the fan spinning. Setup is preparing computer for first use. Oh my gosh, I've never installed Windows 7 on real hardware before. And the first one is a Windows mod. It's not even actual Windows 7. That's like super funny. This video is coming out before I install Windows 7. Actually, no, it'll come out after. Oh my, oh, it's based off, yeah, it's based off of Windows 7 Professional, but it's Windows 7 Business. Windows 7 Business doesn't exist. I mean, that's just what they kept from Windows Vista, but they were going for that Project 7000 look. So anyways, I'm going to type in my name, and then I'll be right back. And let's hope the mouse works. Oh my gosh, it actually installed. Now I'll be right back because I'm gonna go eat pani puris, which is literally the best food ever. So yeah, be right back. Oh yeah, don't worry. There's gonna be like one picture. I don't even know why. I don't even know why I said that. Okay, bye. Alright, we're back. And as you can see, here's Project 7000. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be changing the screen resolution. It's 800 by 600 right now, but we can make it 13. Yeah, this is the correct screen resolution. So let's change it to this. Perfect. We have the correct screen resolution now. Now what we want to do is we want to try to get Windows Aero. Let's hope that we can get it. I don't know if we can, but I'm hoping we can. Please let us get Windows Aero. Like, just please. No, we can't get it. No. Let's run Winver. Here's Winver. Press enter. And as you can see, there we go. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. This was a short video, but it was a viewer request, so yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. We're going to unplug the flash drive now. And I'll see you guys in the next video where we install actual Windows 7 and try to get all the drivers installed. So yeah.